So on screen we have the lark's head knot. So the lark's head knot is actually something that I use with my particular fringe work whenever I'm doing something with a scarf. So what we have here, this is the front of the knot, this is the back of the knot. So depending on how you rotate around your object puts the actual strand in front or behind. So let's review on how to do the front one first. To do the front version, to keep that knot strand on the front side, what you have to do is that you have to fold your yarn into half. And then all you're just going to do then is that you're gonna come around and you're going to feed the top fold up over top of the object that you want to go, and then down into the project like so. So it's underneath that particular piece. So this could be a string, it could be anything. So now you're just gonna take the other piece that is leading to the end of your project up and over, and you want to insert this in through that, just like you see. Okay, so now this is up underneath. Okay, so when you go to pull it shut, that you can see that the strand will be on top. So there is your front version, just like you see. So let's do how to do it from the back. To get the back version, instead of coming up, you're still gonna fold it. So instead of coming up through the forward and coming down, you're just gonna go up from the inside and straight up, and then you're just gonna come up over top, and you're thinking it's gonna be in the front, but it won't be, and you're going to take the other two strands and pull them through up like this, and then when you pull it you can see that you'll end up with the back. So this is how to do the lark's head knot. These are the fronts and these are the back side.